In this tutorial, we will see how to use the BaccaBOT app as a game and even as a professional tool to generate automatic answers to WhatsApp messages. You can download it from Play Store, searching for the word BaccaBOT. You will recognize its icon. Install the app and launch it. If you previously rooted the used smartphone, a pop-up will request the authorization to let BaccaBOT run as a super user. Press the button to allow this operation. Another pop-up will request the authorization to access the smartphone folders. Press the button to authorize this operation. Another pop-up will request the access to notifications. Press Go button to open the setting page and then enable the app BaccaBOT as shown. Press the button Back to return on the main page of the app. Here we will see on the top part a checkbox View debug messages. Unselect this option if status messages become annoying, especially if you switch to other applications. The second option, Reply to any user, allows, if selected, to automatically reply to any chat. The drop-down box will allow to select one of the public personalities of the bot. The button to the right of the drop-down box allows to update the list of the public personalities and to reload the selected personality. Immediately behind the link, click here to create private personality, will bring us on the BaccaBOT website, where it is possible to download a sample XML file useful to create your custom personality and then upload on the website. Immediately behind, a unique code for your private personality will appear on the page, and you will be able to use it on the app. On the page you can find also details on the XML file structure and our contacts to report problems, suggestions or improvements. Press the button Back 2 times to return on the app. Now verify that the smartphone is connected to internet and, by using a second smartphone, open a chat with the bot's phone contact. If the profile English bad dude is selected, we can type help and we will see the English automatic answer. Select then the Italian bad dude profile and let's type ciao. Then we will immediately see the Italian automatic reply. Unselect the checkbox Reply to any user to verify how to enable single users or groups to receive automatic answers. Now let's type a message from the chat that we want to enable, and on the BaccaBOT application we will see a new authorization request to chat with the user that sent the message. If you press Yes, the user will be added on the bottom list. From this moment, any message received on the chat will be processed by the bot for the generation of automatic answers. It is possible to add the bot on the WhatsApp group with many users too. So we can create a test group and add the BaccaBOT on this group. Send a message and press Yes button on the authorization request on the BaccaBOT app. And from this moment, our WhatsApp group will have a bot able to answer if properly questioned. Within the various functions, we can try the trivial too. The trivial answers to the keyword BaccaQuiz. The bot will send 10 random general knowledge questions, assigning scores to users that reply with the correct answer. Public profiles, bad dude Italian, English and Spanish can send porno pictures. it is possible to customize your profiles to send your personal pictures. Pictures will be sent only if the smartphone where the BaccaBOT app is installed was previously rooted. All public personalities answers to keyword help that shows implemented commands. If you created a private personality and you uploaded it on the website, it is possible to select the checkbox Use Private Personality and type the code received on the web page. Then press the green button on the right side of the page. By this way, the code will be saved and the relative private personality will be loaded. The button Remove All Active Chats will clean the table Active Chats, and from this moment, if the checkbox Reply to any user is unchecked, the bot will not answer to any message if not expressly authorized. The bot answers even if the app is not on the foreground. The bot doesn't answer if WhatsApp is in foreground.